What's up, 8th grade? Mr. Catlin here, helping you out with your homework for lesson 10. And we're looking at Lynn's phone charging situation. And she's got this app that graphs the charge on her phone as times pass in hours. She can kind of see how long it takes for it to run out of battery when she's using it, when it's on charge, that kind of stuff. So it graphs where the charge is as the hours pass. And there's some questions about it. So let's investigate the graph before we answer the questions. First of all, we've got as the dependent variable over here on the y-axis the percent charge. So fully charged here and here. And then we have hours passing afternoon. So this would be noon or 12 o'clock in the afternoon. So from noon to 2 p.m., it looks like she had it fully charged and then started to drain the battery, and then some other things happened. So let's answer the questions. When did she start using her phone? So with it being fully charged, it's not unplugged and being used, so the battery's not getting drained. Now she might have it plugged into the wall and using it, but we're going to assume that if she's using it, then the battery's getting used. So from this point to this point, the phone is being used. So start of that would be at this mark here, which is at 2 hours. So when that would be at 2 p.m. or 2 hours after noon. When did she start charging her phone? Okay, so if this is using the phone, and this is her phone being at 40%, and staying there for several hours, must have turned it off during those 4. And then this increase of battery would be a charging situation. So start of the charge, end of the charge. When did the start of the charge begin? And that appears to be at this 8-hour mark right here. So 8 hours afternoon would be 8 p.m. While she was using her phone, all right, so this would be charging, turned off, charging, charged, and staying charged. The using the phone section would be what I'm going to highlight here in blue. This would be when she was using her phone. During that time, at what rate? Rate is another word when you have a graph like this for slope. We talked about that in class today. Was Lynn's phone battery dying? So at what rate are we losing battery charge when she uses her phone? So let's calculate that by drawing a slope triangle. So we're going to go down. We're going to come over. We're going to find the slope of this line by drawing a slope triangle. So let's start with the vertical change here. It went from 100% to 40%, which is a loss of 60% of her battery charge. And then this happened over the course of 2 hours. So our slope here is negative 60. Slope is negative 60 over 2, which translates to negative 30 per 1. And that is losing 30% per hour. And there we go. Interpreting these graphs using our knowledge of slope to find rates within these graphs of functions. And notice that they piece together these line segments, which is why this is under the lesson called a piecewise function. And that's all I got for you guys today. We'll see you in class tomorrow. Have a good one.